Hi, in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to remove an Apple ID from an iPhone. Before we start, please make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi. Let's begin. Select Settings, select your Apple ID account information, and tap Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password and tap Turn Off. If you wish to keep a copy of your data, select it, then tap Sign Out. Once this process is completed, you will receive an email with the changed details, and your iPhone will no longer be attached to the Apple ID account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.